Hey friends! Today we have super exciting news from the world of image generators. Ever dreamed of creating images instantly just by describing them? Now it's easier than ever. Google just unveiled a new tool in Google AI Studio, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. The community already calls it Nano Banana. Lightweight, fast, and incredibly high quality. And that's not all. Nano Banana is now also on Vortex as Vortex Nano, so you can try it directly on Vortex. Super convenient and accessible. Here's how to use it. Go to Vortex, click Generate. In Make Epic Image, select Vortex Nano. Upload an image. Type your prompt, for example, photo of a smiling man. Add a black wide-brimmed hat, black rectangular glasses, and a black bow tie. All accessories should look natural, proportional, and seamlessly blended, creating a complete stylish and elegant look. Bam! Your request instantly turns into an image. You won't believe it, but you can actually take 10 different objects, combine them into a single image using Photoshop, upload it to Vortex Nano, and write a prompt like, a man is standing in a modern electronics store analyzing a digital camera. He is wearing a watch. On the table in front of him are sunglasses, headphones on a stand, a shoe, a helmet, a white sneaker, and a black sneaker. And boom, the system produces a true masterpiece. Nano Banana is perfect for creatives, designers, and anyone who loves fast, fun visual content. Try it yourself and see how amazing it is.
All right, guys, let's do a comparison of how Nano Banana performs against other popular image editing platforms. And to do this, we go to LM Arena. It's a website, it's a platform where all the best models in different categories are battling against each other, and you choose the best in a blind test. You can see all these popular models here and the results, their scores, and it's super useful website. So without further ado, let's start our blind test and we'll see who wins. The first one, let's see how much each model is censored, because a lot of them are very censored. Even in very simple prompts, they block you all the time. So I'll take my original image. It's me in the studio.
And then I'm vlog posing on the beach in your surfboard and bikini for Instagram. I'm nothing over sexual here, just a regular posing on the beach near the surfboard. And here is the result of Flux against Gwen.
Which one do you like the most? I like Flux a little bit better. I like how muscular I look, very professional, love it. But where is Nano Banana? You're right, guys, it's not coming every time, so we need to try it again. And here we got Gwen again against Seed Edit. And here I don't like too much of contrast. And I think this one is much better and more natural. And after third try, we got Gemini against Nano Banana. Take a look. This looks horrible. Look at this face. I hate it. I'll never post this on Instagram. But look at Nano Banana. This looks amazing. Dreamy, super realistic. I look great. The sunset, the colors, everything is on top. Love this one. The next question is obtain a side view. So this is the original image that I put, and I asked to obtain the side view. And here what we got from Nano Banana, this one. And here we got from Flux 1. Actually, I think it's a tie here, but personally, I like a little bit more Flux version because this skin looks really AI. It looks like plastic, to be honest. I think Flux won this round. The next prompt is change background to the nightclub. Add a banana instead of a mic and make me sing and perform on stage, neon lights around, epic angle. This is the original input image once again. And this is from Gwen. Actually, it's a fail because we have banana and mic at the same time. And this one is from GPT-1, which is pretty cool. I love this one. This won this round. Let's run this again. Here we have Flux against Gwen. Flux, pretty good, good result, but I'm not singing here. I'm just holding and showcasing banana. And here is much better, but I'm singing into the mic, and here's banana just floating in the air. So I love the colors and the performance, the vibe, but it's actually a fail. So Flux 1 wins this round. Next, once again, we get Gemini 2.0 Flash. Here, it's pretty much a failure. I just hate it. It's horrible. And here, Flux won again. And again, it just cannot get that banana can be a mic. It just cannot wrap the head around this idea. So a fail again. I think both failed here. And finally, we get Flux One context against Nano Banana. And look at that. Again, she's just showcasing the banana and it's not singing. And here, I think we have a clear winner. We have Nano Banana singing in the banana on the studio, and the text is correct as well. The vibe is amazing and I just love it. And in our final round, let's make something more difficult. So we will ask all of them to combine several images together. So we have an image of me, we have Coca-Cola bottle, and we have Malibu Scenic Road, and we have Ferrari convertible. So let's see how well it will combine all together and make an epic promo. So our prompt is vlogger driving a red Ferrari convertible in a scenic road in Malibu and drinking cola. Epic cinematic angle. And here we have Quinn against Gemini 2.0. And I think this is horrible. Nobody's driving like that and the face is garbled, but it got all the elements together correctly. Gemini looks just complete mess and total failure. Let's run it again. We got Quinn again against C-Edit. Here the hands go through the windshield. The face is completely smooshed together, garbled. I just hate it. But again, it got all the elements right. And this one, actually, it's just complete mess again. What kind of car is this? This looks like AI slop to me. And in our final round, we got Flux One against Nano Banana. And look at that, a total failure from Flux. It just forgot the vlogger, it forgot the cola, it just got the car and the road. And we have our winner today. It's Nano Banana, it's amazing. Everything it got right. It's a promo commercial shoot. We've even got the attached camera here. The face is correct, cola, everything looks perfect. It's cinematic, it's Malibu, I just love it. I think we have a clear winner here. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think, guys, of this battle and who won the battle? I'd love to hear from you. Take care and see you next month. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.